Hello everyone, I am here with my new video. Today my topic is electric motor replacement. What you need to know. Posted July 2020. Author Stephen Pohl. Electric motor replacement. What you need to know. By Gillian Gaunt Account Executive. When replacing an electric motor, there are many things to consider when purchasing your replacement motor. There are many types of motors and different types of electric motors. The AC motors consist of two basic parts. The first common part is the stator. The stator remains stationary and is usually connected to the frame of the motor. The outside stator has coils that are supplied with alternating current to produce a rotating magnetic field in which the rotator spins. The other important parts of the motor is the rotator, the inside rotator in the part that rotates when the motor is in operations. The rotator experiences a torque due to the electromagnetic motor effect. Another part usually found in AC motor in the fatigue core and confines the magnetic field. The brushed AC motor can only run at a single speed. You cannot use DC motor in places of an AC motor. When replacing a motor, you should try to match up all the specifications to the motor that was working. The tag will usually have all the information to match up correctly. The important specifications you need to verify you matching up correctly are the horsepower, voltage, phase, RPM, and frame size. For the electricity, you need to know if your power is 115V, 230V, and 460V, etc. Also, verify if the power is single phase, two phase, or three phase. Usually, the phase is a single phase or three phase. The horsepower and RPM are also important to ensure the motor spins at the same speed. The frame size is also very critical because it determines the way to the motor motions with a specific bolt partner. The frame numbers has been standardized by NEMA, so all manufacturers of a certain frame will have the same bolt mounting partner, shaft diameter, and shaft length. Only special frames can have different bolt partners or shaft size. Thank you.